Caerfyrddin yn y glas, cymryd y Gynghrair yn sydyn. Bale allan at Miles Davies, y gŵr ifanc. Not at Morgan sy'n gadlu'r Bale redeg. Miles Davies i fewn i'r cwrt. Yr ergyd yn rhy agos at Mike Lewis yn y pen draw. Yn symudiad bach slick gan Caerfyrddin. Weledigaeth gan Morgan. Y ffigiad a Miles Davies oedd ar cynnig. Cooper, pass lag syth tuag at Not. A Morgan wedi curoedd un. Ceri Morgan ar ymyl y cwrt i Caerfyrddin. Luke Cummings chydig bach o le ganddo fo i grymanu'r Bale! Ac oedd angen i Mike Lewis ymestyn i droi'r Bale heibio'r postyn. Caerfyrddin arediad o 5 gêm heb fuddugoliaeth. Nhw wedi dechrau'n fywiog ar Barc Jenna heddiw yma. Cooper Gynghrair yn wastraffus. Geith y Barri gyfle arall fan hyn. Twrei cyffyrddiad da allan at Southern Hales. Cyfle i groesi tuag at y postyn pella mae'n mynd a Jones oedd yno'n codi. A nath o ddim amser i'r peniad a dihangfa i Caerfyrddin. Cooper at Greening. Twrei'n troi'n dda. A'r bas di mesur yn berffaith at Chris Hugh a ceri o le gan Hugh ar y chwith. A'r ergyd isel yn curo Leedsy. A mae'r Barri ar y blaen wedi llai na 5 munud o'r ail hanner. Symudiad bach da gan y tîm cartre, ond sut ar y ddaear oedd gan Hugh gymaint o le allan ar y chwith. A gol gyntaf tymor iddo fo. O Gavin Chesterfield yn ddigon bodlon. Wedi dîm ar y blaen, ydy record berffaith nhw ar Barc Jenna mynd i barhau heddiw yma. Marcus Jones. Jones ar ergyd! Syth tuag at y golwr ac yn amod mae dŵ Twrei yn methu manteision. Jones oedd ar ergyd wreiddiol. Oedd hi'n rhy boeth i'r golwr. A Twrei dros y trawst oedd hyn. Morgan at Tyrell Webb, cyn chwaraewr y Barri wrth gwrs. Because Torri tu fewn. O, ac yn taflu Chris Hugh i'r chwaith. Dim trosau nôl dyfarnwr ar ergyd gan Woodford. Yn cael ei harbed gan Mike Lewis. Oedd yn edrych fel bod yna drosodd y fanna ar Hugh. Mi gafodd o'i wffio i'r llawr gan Vickers, dwi'n siŵr. Ond yr ergyd yn cael ei harbed gan Lewis unwaith eto.
After losing last week against Newtown, you must be delighted with the 3 points today.
Yeah, really pleased. You know, we had to show, a bit of a character, a bit of a bounce back, if you like, following last week. We were disappointed last week, but listen, my lads have been fantastic this year, and we're never going to get too high when we win or too low when we lose. But I think last week was a bit disappointing. So to respond in the manner we have is very pleasing. We've scored a fantastic goal, and probably could have scored maybe one more. But truth be told, it's probably a game, a few chances for both teams.
Disappointed? Didn't get anything out of the game today?
Yeah, obviously any loss is disappointing. So to come away with a 1-0 loss, our keeper's only had one real save to make, and the guys scored a really impressive goal, to be fair. First half, second half, the conditions were very difficult. Yeah, we had a couple of chances. Mike's made a couple of good saves, but he's a decent keeper, so you'd expect him to make them. So yeah, disappointed.
You won 4 out of the last 5 games now. You're on a good run.
Yeah, we said that going into Newtown where we've won 3 out of 3. But fingers crossed now we can keep this run going. Llanelli next year, Friday night at Jenna Park, fantastic. But as always in the Welsh Premier League, it's a tough test. So one we look forward to.
I think if you look at any results or any fixtures and results in this league at the moment, I think every game is a difficult game. I think teams are beating everybody. So Barri are on a good run. They're obviously a very good team. So yeah, we'll have to pick ourselves up and get ready for next week.